Hi everyone! Are you aware that SimplyBook.me offers a range of tools that can help you increase sales and enhance your marketing efforts? The purpose of this video is to showcase these tools to make sure you're making the most of your SimplyBook.me account. Let's jump right into it. You can set up coupons and gift cards to offer discounts and have clients purchase your services as gifts to their friends and loved ones. You can add products for sale and service add-ons to maximize your earning potential. All SimplyBook.me accounts are automatically listed on bookingtroll.com, our company directory. This helps potential clients find your business and allows you to feature their reviews and set up promotions using rewards and referrals. Google Business will feature your locations in Google Search and Google Maps. Instagram photo sharing will help you liven up your booking page with content from your company's Instagram account. Last but not least, you can use the Book Soon notification system to send automatic come back soon messages and encourage customer loyalty. Using these features will surely help you increase your business and grow your brand with SimplyBook.me. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.